it. Hi guys, I'm not. So what's that? I got it. Welcome back to the September reset. Honestly, right now, and also, I have a hookup. Wait. Yeah, it's not good. It's not good. So I'm gonna clean up a bit. Then I won't really I will show, of course. I will show them my bed vacuuming. But let's start here. These are supposed to be in laundry, but we'll figure it out later. Okay, that's one thing. You know what? We're gonna play some folklore. TS12 is coming, guys. Oh my god, wait. She announced the movie. I want to try to see if I can get tickets. Of course, I'm going to film a reaction video. I'm also going to do a release day vlog because Taylor, Taylor and Olivia were my first favorite pop stars. You know? And then my music taste expanded to rap, hip-hop, and R&B. So I really started with both of them, Olivia and Taylor. So I don't have Olivia on vinyl yet, but we'll see. So yeah, we're gonna play some folklore. Here's the first covered sleeve. Here's the, yeah, so let's just play some folklore. But I'm on some new shit. Been saying yes. Vacuumed. I'm at Target. Honestly, my heart is beating so fast and I have no idea why. It's just beating. You know? So yeah.
Right here. Really? Mm-hmm. That was good. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's fine.
Where are the records? The records, like the vinyls, please.
Oh no. You got me.
Oh my god. Bro, they have Sabrina. Ooh, and they have Billy. They have such a short collection. bag secured. I'll show y'all when I get home. Also, okay, so I actually had like a very like hard time picking out like a record because like I was trying to figure out like, oh my god, I was like, there's so many options. There was Conan Gray, there was Ariana Grande. Then I chose to get someone that I've been wanting forever. So yeah.
One.
Yes. Oh wait,
Okay.
I think these are like microphones,
Yeah.
bro. Guys, for my vlogs, I
What
might
one
start
is this,
trying to
Max?
get cameras. But I don't like want these type of, well, I don't like want big like these. I want like a small one. So, yeah. Ooh.
NFC or Bluetooth capabilities. It helps me hear my
Hi guys, I'm not gonna pricing. Okay, no. Anyway. This one looks super cute. I actually love this. Wait. Honey, we're about to leave Best Buy. I'll show you the buy when we get home. Okay, so I'm back home. Oh my god. So. Okay. We got the vinyl. Okay, I'm closing this. Okay, ooh. Oh my god, it's a poster. Here's the front. Here's the back. Oh my god, that's so cool. Okay, I'll hang it up later. Okay, now, I don't know if it's a black standard. Honestly, if it is, I'm praying it's like a blue. I took a peek at it. It does not look like a blue, guys. It might just be like a regular back standard, but here's the sleeve. Here's the back of the sleeve. Oh, it's a, wait, it actually kind of looks like a violet. Wait, it's actually kind of cute. Wait, it's actually really pretty. And I don't mind it. It's good. Okay. Okay, I might play it. I'm gonna play it. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh my god. Okay. So anyway. I wish it was a gatefold. That's all I'm gonna say. Okay, so here's the insert. It is. It's playing, guys. But yeah, I think sounds really beautiful. I just finished bathing. I'm in my pajama fit. Yeah, it's crazy. It looks cool there, so I decided to put it there. So yeah, and I put some stuff here. Also, just a little room update. So yeah, it's like a little room update in general. So yeah. If I see y'all tomorrow morning. So fully awake. Yeah. So yeah, I'm fully awake. My LED lights. Wait. That's better. Anyway. Yeah, what was I about to mention? Yeah, we need to clean my room, and, well, we already cleaned my room. I just need to make my bed, and we're gonna do a few decorating stuff. We're gonna hang up the knowledge on the poster, because I did not angle it right. I was looking for like a better spot for it. I might keep it there and just hang it properly. Also, I wanna try. I wanna display a melodrama on one of my vinyls, which I am planning on putting my vinyls on the wall here. But for now, I need to get the records that I want to get and hang them up, and I need to get a record player stand and put I'm now I want to have a vinyl collection. This whole vinyl situation is supposed to be just for it. I'm recording. Daddy. Wait. So I decided to hang up some hats around the room. So yeah. I also hung up whatever this thing is. I literally just made it out of a little camera protector. And this thing, because my mom's broke. And I found this. I was unboxing something, so I decided to make it into two. And now I have this, so yeah, the room is growing centrally. I'm also loving it. Melodrama spinning currently. These are all my textbooks from school, so I'm gonna put these away. I'm gonna play some Fortnite. They released Megazord and Delulu, but sadly, guess who has parental controls? Me, unfortunately. So it's not fun, but I still work through it. Anyway, now it's time to play some Fortnite, and I'll see y'all. I'll probably make some breakfast, then we'll do more things. I got it, let's go! I got it! I got the Megazord! Oh my god. It's time to spam. Okay. Let's do it. Okay. And bro, it's legitimately fun. Then I died. Oh my god, no, I died. Okay, it's fine. At least that was fun. That was so fun. Such a beautiful record. Oh my god. 10 out of 10 album. Now that I have melodrama, the party started. Little dessert time. So my mom, we ate some last night, but well, she and my sister did. So I hung up some hats. I hang up my mouth. I think I already told you about that. I don't know why I keep telling you, but yeah. Also, like, I was supposed to hang up tote bags, but I love you so much. And I want to try this cake. It is, but I'll lay my bed, cause anyway. Okay, I'm in bed. I'm gonna end the video up here. We did everything really. Yeah, I'm gonna edit my cruise vlog, post that hopefully today. Then I'm gonna record another video for my fall vlog, which is gonna be really exciting. So yeah. I won't make a video on TS12. I have a lot of videos coming up. I took like a whole 1 week break off YouTube. Well, 1 week off editing because I was on a cruise ship and I need internet to edit. But anyway, that's besides the point. Room looking good, clean. Yes, my room's clean. So yeah, see you all in the next one. Bye.